I just cashed out a ridiculous amount of money, and keeping this to myself would be selfish, so I'll give you the full rundown on how to do the same. Stay right here, because I'm dropping the full guide to make your wallet look exactly like this one. I used to get stuck holding garbage meme coins that only made me lose my money. Then I cracked this method, and now printing 10x trades is just another day. The key here is consistency. This method is fully repeatable. That's how I've been pulling in these wild profits. Here's the real deal. Launching your own meme coin crushes trading them every single time. The big players have been banking on this for years, and now it's our turn. While most noobs flock to Pump.Fun, getting noticed there is a nightmare. Just look at this list. There's dozens of new coins every minute. But I have a good news. There's an alternative. Forget Pump.Fun. Radium is our money printer. While newbies get stuck in the mud, we're flowing with the real liquidity. There's an entry barrier which is having to know coding, but that's our built-in advantage that filters out the garbage automatically. You don't have to worry about this, though. With this method, you'll be able to launch legit projects easily. You'll always see a few coin with minus 99% balance. Those are Rugpulls, and that's the key for today. I'll teach you how to do this by creating a new coin from scratch. Alright, step 1 is crafting a logo that hits like a trending hashtag. You need to make something that steals all the attention from the investors. My formula is using whatever's blowing up on Twitter, memes, celebrities, game news. There's a lot of stuff out there that works. This time I'll use this thumbs up emoji. It's really funny and always gets good traction. Check that your logo is 128 by 128 pixels. Save the file, and with this, we're ready to crush the next phase. Go to the Solana launch website. This website will be your main tool for creating a coin. First of all, connect your wallet. Next, you will see the coin creation form. It is as simple as possible, just the way you like it. Next, just drag your logo into the field. Great, the logo is loaded. Now enter the name, symbol and description of your coin. Keep in mind that the symbol must be up to 8 characters. On the right, we have fields with the number of characters and the total number of coins. Initially, there are a billion coins here. I do not recommend changing these values. Look, there are additional options below. Leave it as is. If all 3 options are enabled, then on various platforms like the dexscreener, the coin will basically have more reputation. Well, now click on the coin creation button and confirm the transaction. Almost done. Your token is already in the process of creation. The process itself lasts about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not refresh the page. In a couple of minutes everything will be ready. So, your token is created and already stored on your balance. Here you have the address of your token and several links. Let's go to Solana Explorer and look at your token. Here is your token. It is already in the blockchain. The last step is adding liquidity to the pool of our token. Without liquidity, people won't be able to trade your coin, so just click on Create Liquidity Pool button to continue with the process. You'll arrive to Radium's interface. First is the wallet connection. Mine auto-linked, but you might need to click this button up here. Now set your base token, which is our meme coin. Grab the address from Solana launch and paste it here. Pop in your token details. Click Add User Token. Select your coin to see the 1 billion supply, and then 900 million to the pool. If you wonder why 900 millions, it's just a standard. For the trading pair, Solana is the move. As the owner and creator of your coin, you can just max out your balance here. Investing at least 1 to 2 Solana will make your pool attractive for investors, but always keep 0. 2 Solana aside for Radium's cut. In the fee tier section, I always go with 2%, but 0.5% works too. Pick your vibe. Final step is smashing initialize liquidity pool and approving the transaction. Now your token's officially open for business. Check it out. We're already live on Photon's listings. That's thousands of hungry trading scanning for new opportunities every second. Out token has just got front row seats to the show. Let me show you the best way to track your coin. Pop open dexscreener and find any random trading pair. Now there's the slick move. Take your token address from Solana launch and seamlessly replace the one as the URL. Just like that, you've got a crystal clear view of your entire market. It'll be the time to crash out whenever you hit your liquidity goals, so keep an eye on it. And those tiny blips of transactions? Just bots doing their thing in the background. Nothing that should faze you. Just relax and keep refreshing Radium's portfolio page every now and then. Stay in the standard view. Your LP position will eventually pop up down below. Blockchain isn't instant, so don't stress if it takes 10 to 15 minutes to appear. Everything's processing normally. We got our first investor making 2 buys totaling around $70. This took the market cap up to $350 and the liquidity to $372. That's 177% in just 6 minutes. We're honestly doing good. Let's just wait and see if we get any big buys. Alright, we got another buy going for $90. Market cap is almost at $700, and liquidity is almost $400. That's pretty good. We still need a big buy to cash out, so let's just wait and see if we can get that. This is what I'm waiting for, $137. This is the buy we needed, $1,300 for the market cap, $700 for the liquidity, almost 1,000% growth. That's insane. All of this in less than 15 minutes. Let's see if any other investors get motivated due to this big buy. Guys, being patient paid out. Look at this. This is awesome. More than $1,000 for the liquidity. This is the key moment to cash out, so let's go ahead and call it a day. Head over to Radium's portfolio. First, confirm your wallet's connected in the top corner. Stick with the standard view to locate your LP position. Hot that minus icon and set the slider all the way to 100%. This reveals your withdrawable amount. But eyes down here, the Solana value is your real payment. That's the number you really need to look at. Ready to cash out? Click Remove Liquidity and confirm it with your wallet. Check your wallet and behold, I just turned 1.6 Solana into 4.6 Solana, a clean 3x return in minutes. This isn't luck. I execute this same play daily with a consistent 90% plus success rate. The beauty of this method is being able to rinse and repeat this right now. Gotta keep it 100%. This is purely for learning purposes. You'll have the links in the description though. But come on, you witnessed the magic yourself. Nobody knows how long this golden ticket lasts. I'd be grinding this method 24/7 if I were you. What are you waiting for? The money's there for the taking.